bike up, man. Make me want to do some stuff.
Yeah, made me want to get a bike too.
Come on, Rick. Let's go, Rick.
I need a 3-wheeler though. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another one, man. Today, we're not going to the auction today. We're going to be fixing, hold on. You hear it? The hub bearing noise. Yup, the hub bearing. We're going to be fixing that. It is got a little rain on the window. I'm not sure if y'all can see it on camera, but it is look like it's about to rain a little bit. I decided to go to Bruce's house and do it just so somebody can keep me some company, have somebody to talk to. So we're headed to Bruce's house to do the hub bearings right now. I was going to do it at my mom's crib, but I called him to see what he was doing. He had just got off work. So headed over there to my boy crib, man. But if you haven't already, make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe to join the Hustle Nation, man. If y'all haven't done so already and you're here just watching the video, you might as well subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be updated. Make sure y'all like the video, hit the thumbs up on the video for me right now. I would greatly appreciate that. Make sure y'all follow your boy on the gram, wehustledaily.co. Make sure y'all follow your boy on the gram, and make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. I'm gonna show y'all how to pick out good cars at the auction. I'm gonna show y'all all my tips and tricks. I'm gonna show y'all everything y'all need to know. So we're gonna go ahead and fix this car though. Y'all know me, I don't like to put no money in no cars, but I've been having the hub bearings since y'all seen that video of the hub bearings. That's how long I done had these damn hub bearings in the car. So it's been like 2 weeks probably, like. So we're gonna go ahead and head over here, and but it's starting to rain, so I'm not sure if he gonna have enough, because he got some work to do. Y'all know Bruce be working on the cars too, and y'all make sure y'all follow him on Instagram. If y'all need some work done on y'all cars or something like that, y'all can hit him up. Phantom Mobiles on Instagram. Y'all make sure y'all follow him. And yeah, but yeah, he's gonna work on some cars, but damn, it's starting to rain. I know y'all see the rain on the window now. So I don't know if he gonna need the garage. Like, damn. So we about to see. But I definitely need to be in the garage if I'm gonna work on the car and it's raining. The day that I feel like doing it is the day that it wants to rain. But it is what it is. We're gonna get these damn hub bearings done today though. I don't care if I gotta go back to mom's house and use the garage. We are gonna get these hub bearings done today, because I'm tired of hearing that goddamn noise. I done paid for the hub bearings. They in the trunk, and all I need to do is put them on. Last time I did it, I don't remember how long it took me to do it, but I've done it a couple of times, so it shouldn't take me that long. You don't have to take the whole like knuckle off, but it may just be easier taking a whole like spindle off, spindle knuckle or whatever it is. So that's what I've done the last 2 times. And then remember guys, I'm gonna put that one on first, the one that's making a noise. If y'all don't remember when I diagnosed it, y'all gotta go back and watch the videos. So I know it's the right side, but I keep hearing people say you're supposed to change both when you do them. So I don't know if but if hey listen, if it's not making that noise, shit, I ain't doing the other one. I can tell y'all that right now. But that's a nice house. Gotta get me one of them. But all right, I'll see y'all when we get to Bruce's crib, man, and we're gonna go ahead and get to work, baby.
And super bike up, man. Make me want to do some stuff.
Yeah, made me want to get a bike too.
Come on, Rick. Let's go, Rick.
I need a 3-wheeler though. But all right, guys.
I'll take that. Roll with the dog.
Yeah, my dad got a fly 3-wheeler. I would need to ride something like that or something. But all right, guys, we're about to go ahead and get this done. I already took the jack off. Took the tire off. Got it on the jack stands and everything. So we're about to go ahead and get to work. Looks like I need some, well, little brakes is a little low too. But I'm about to get to work, man. So I already done removed these bolts here. I think this is a 13. About to take the caliper off. I need a screwdriver so I can take the caliper off. I gotta pop the hood too, as a matter of fact. But I'm gonna set this on a tripod and we're gonna get right to work. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're about to get to work, man. I know some of y'all probably like seeing your boy work. We're gonna have to push this caliper back in. Well, we might not have to. But all right, guys, we got it off right here. I took the whole steering knuckle off so I can go ahead and beat it out. That's what I did. So as you can see, everything is good. I might keep these lug nuts just in case, but let's go and get the new one back in. All right, so we got the tire on. That's probably just the, we're about to see. I'm about to take it on the ride and make sure, but we got everything on. So let's check this thing out and hopefully we are good to go. So let me let this jack down and we're gonna see what we got. Test drive. Let's see. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do the other side because I did just drive it, do a test drive, and it does sound like it's going away. But since I'm right here, might as well do the other side. Get it over with. I got my jack stand under there, but that's what we're gonna do. Do both sides. That way, I ain't gotta worry about this no more at all. So let's get right into it. Y'all see it. Y'all see what's going on, man. Everything is all finished, so let me go ahead and fix it, put this tire back on, and we're good to go. So let me finish this up. All right, guys, and we are headed home, and maybe I should wait till I get on the highway for this. But I don't know if you can hear it in the camera. But I hear it a little bit still. Making me thinking I shouldn't even change the other one. But I wasn't going this fast, so I wouldn't have known. It's like, I don't know, I gotta get on the E-way because I can only do like 50 on this road, these back roads. So let me get on the E-way and then we're gonna listen there. Let's see. It's better, it is better now, but still hear it. So maybe it's the tires now. And remember, we got a bent rim, so I still haven't got tires for this guy. So because maybe they open tomorrow, I can try to do it tomorrow. I can't even do it tomorrow, so the next day. But I definitely need to get some tires on this guy. But I'm gonna see y'all when we get on the E-way because I can still hear it a little bit. All right, we're on the E-way right now, as you can see, and right now it's sounding good. It's like it sounds good sometimes, and then it doesn't. We gonna get some speed though, so we can see. Let's see what we got, man. So we doing about 65. It's way better. It is way better, for sure. It's just that damn, see, I don't hear it now. It's so weird. Man, raggedy ass road. See, it sound good, guys. It's weird. I hear it sometimes and then sometimes I don't, but we still need new tires on this car. So I'm gonna put some tires on here. What we got up here? Traffic. God damn. Oh, not that much traffic. It's just a little road thing going on right there. But yeah, guys, so it does sound better. So we're gonna run with this. Like right now, I'm not really hearing the noise. It's crazy. But I just heard it a little bit when I was driving, like on the way to the highway. So I don't know, guys, but it is going to be a wrap for today's video, man. Shouts out to the whole entire Hustle Nation, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell, please, so you can be updated when your boy upload a video. Make sure y'all follow your boy on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. See, okay, I'm speeding up a little bit. See, it's still kind of quiet though. Yeah, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com, man. But shouts out to y'all, man. Appreciate y'all watching my video, me trying to fix my Impala whitening, and it is sounding better. But the only thing that I did forget to do, guys, is I forgot to sand the other side down. So I did forget to sand the other side down. I can tell a difference, but I don't know. But yeah, man, it's gonna be a wrap. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, baby. Let me give y'all a little footage, might as well.